Hello everyone, this is Balaji. I welcome you for Python Basics tutorial series. In this series of video, we are discussing about introduction about Python and various data structure used in Python. Example: integer, floating, string, and set, list, tuple, and dictionary. These are all the various data types Python has. So for that I explain based on the mind map. So I taken this mind map. So here already we discussed that Python introduction and data structure. Now we are going to discuss about simple arithmetic how to use in Python. Before that, those who are not liked my video, like, comment and share my video, and those who are not subscribe my channel and click bell icon for more videos. Now go to video. So now already we discussed that Python introduction, and Python introduction we discussed that overview of the Python and purpose of Python and application of Python. I give the link of that video in top of this video. You can watch it. And after that we discuss that various data structure data types we have in Python, or a variable name, how to rules of variable names we discuss. Now today we are going to discuss about simple arithmetics. We are going to discuss. I taken the mind map. So mind map simple arithmetic we discussing how to assigning the input value how to assign. For that that will be going to discuss, and how to use input and print in arithmetic, simple arithmetic, and power how to use power in arithmetic. So these are all the things we are going to discuss today. So for that I taken small example I taken. So here arithmetic, simple arithmetic, normally input is directly we have to given for assigning the variable. So here a equal to 5, b equal to 6, we can add it and print the statement. Okay, this is a simple here input is not get from the runtime. So here inputs are given in code itself. So here this is one type of input declaration, and next one is input and print statement. Okay, here I will zoom it. So here normally input is one keyword we can use for getting the values from input, and normally the inputs are in string data type. So we have to convert the input into integer data type. For that we have to use int. Here two variables will be taken. One is a variable is enter the value of a, and that will be in input keyword we can get the value of a, and similarly that will be in string data type, that will be converted into integer data type by using int keyword. Okay, and next one is b variable is another variable we can get the input, and after getting these two values we can add, subtract, multiplication, division, modulus, everything will be done. After that we can print will be done with two methods. One is using format, print using format method. So print will be done using two methods. One is using print using format method, and print using padding and precision method. Normally padding and precision methods are most of the programs we can use padding and precision method. So you can see both method how to print the print statement. And the next one is this is a format statement. We have various declaration format we can use. We can use curly brace we can use for format we can use curly brace. Normally in format what are the arguments we sending, that will be is indexed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be given here. Okay, 0 means first argument index, and add argument index is 0 and sub argument index is 1. So that will be we can we given in the format using format we can print the statement. We can user friendly we can print the statement. For that we can use format and padding and precision methods for printing, and this is another method of printing the printing statement of output. So we can discuss everything here, and after that how to use power we can use, that will be we can discuss power. Normally we can use using double star symbol we can use. A double star B means A power B we getting the output. So there's a power. Normally likewise also we can get the power, otherwise we can use power keyword. For that we have to declare math import we have to import the math library. For power keyword we have used means. Without power keyword we can find the power by using A double star B. In this method also power we can see. This three will be discussed using Google Colab. So we can Google Colab we can directly execute this outputs. Okay, so I will open the browser. I will type Google Colab and enter. In first search itself we getting the welcome.collaboratory website. So this is collab.research.google.com website. So I will click that. Already I posted one video that how to use Google Colab. I will give that link in top of this video. You can watch it. So here we can see the various methods of opening the file in Google Colab. So we can take the Python file and what are the recent file we can upload. What are the recent file we can open? That will be in this tab, and Google Drive. From Google Drive we can open the file, and GitHub and load means we can load from your desktop. And now I gave the new notebook, so I will give the new notebook. So it will be open the new Colab page. So it will be open. Here first of all, once you open the Google Colab notebook, we have to connect the notebook to your server. Okay, so for that we have to click connect. So first of all, allocating the memory and connecting, initializing the memory, and now it is connected. Connected means we getting the RAM and disk space in top of this Google notebook. And now in the top of this left hand side we can see the untitled 3. We can give your title of your notebook. I give basics of Python. Normally in ideally we can using Python means we can use py is .py is your extension, but in Colab notebook we have used ipynb is extension of file name. So normally in the Colab we can use this extension for your accessing the file. Okay, and now we are going to see the example. So I will take on that first one, arithmetic input value. I will give two values, arithmetics, addition, subtraction, everything will be done using collab. For that, this is already I posted one video that how to use global collab, so you can watch it. So here we can arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, everything will be done using using Python. So first of all we have to declare, already I will how to various declaration of variables. I will type a equal to 25, b equal to 5, and a sum equal to a plus b, and print of sum. So this is our code window, code block. You can type your code in this block and we have to run it. We can run the code. So these are simple arithmetic. We can addition of a and b, we directly we get it. Okay, this is a simple arithmetic operation. So now this 25 and 5 are we have to give at the time of initialization or declaration of itself, but we can want to get the inputs from input side, means we can use input keyword. For that I will type on code, you have to type that a equal to, normally input keyword we can use means all the I will type keyword input of, we have to type in double quote or single quote, enter the value of a. So here we can use this, means normally the input will be in a string data type format. Okay, in the input will be get from string data type, that will be converted into integer. For that we have to put int keyword in front of the input, so that time we can get conversion of data type from string to the integer data type. So here one variable is declared, and next one is I again copy this code and I paste it and change the variable name as b. I also here enter the value of b. So here two inputs are get it, and now we can do the arithmetic operations. First of all I will do a sum equal to a plus b, and subtraction equal to a minus b, and multiplication equal to a star b, and division equal to, these are all the keywords, sum, sub, mul, and divides are the keyword. Divide backslash b, and modulus will be modulus equal to a percentage b, and these are all the various arithmetic operation we can do. Now we can to print all the values. So first for that we have to use two methods we can print the output. First of all, format, using format keyword we can print the output in for a user friendly view of the output. And next method is using padding and precision method. We can using that we can print the output. So first of all we can see how to use print format keyword, we can print the output. So for that we have to type print, open the bracket. In double quote we can type your string. The first of all I will type sum colon space, in curly brace, open curly and closed curly brace, we can type your index value. First index is 0. I will give in format, there will be in first will become, that will be in first index, and next one we have to comma, we have to type your subtraction colon in curly brace we have to give 1, and comma, and again we have to type mul colon, in curly brace we have to type 2, and we have to type comma, and we have to divide, division, colon, curly brace 3, and again comma, mod colon, double quote, double curly brace, and we have to type 4. So after typing this in double quote, we have to put the dot means it will be shows that some keywords in collab. So we have to type format we have to type and open the bracket, and we have to type the variable we have to type the variable by separating by comma. So here the variables are sum, sub, multiplication, division, mod. So we have to type that sum comma sub comma mul comma divide comma mod. So here this is your variables, and this is your in curly brace we can given that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 0 means the first index, first format, the first variable index is come here this place. Okay, that's why first index will be in 0, the second index will be 1, second mul will be the third index, and that will be 2, and div is fourth index, that will be 3, and mod is fifth index, that will be 4. So we can run it. So I will run that. So we can run it. So it asking first of all enter the variable of value of a. So I give 25, and we have to put enter, and asking enter the value of b. Okay, I will give 5. So we can see the output. This is our output. Sum, the curly brace 0, that will be some value will become at first place, and sub value is second or next place, and multiplication will be third, and division will be in normally division will be in floating value, that will be in float number we getting as output, and mod is 0. So 25 divided by 5 we getting modulation is 0. So this one type of declaring the print statement. And next one is padding and precision method. We can print the value. For that I open the code block, and I type print open bracket double quote. You have to type your string sum colon percentage d for integer, and comma sub colon percentage d, and mul colon percentage d, comma division is floating number. I will type that div colon of, I will type percentage 15.4. I will tell that what is 15.4 and f floating number we can division we getting, that is 15.4 into 4 f, and we have to type comma, and we have to type mod colon percentage d. So and we have to put percentage, and we have to open the bracket, and we have to type variables. Okay, so sum comma sub comma mul comma div comma mod. So this is your print statement. If now we can run this, so we getting sum the percentage. So first index will be first value, sum value will getting, and second subtraction value, multiplication value. Here the division will be in we getting 5. Normally I mentioned that 15.4 f means that is a total length of the number is 15. So here this is 15 total length of the number is 15. Here after decimal point it will be 4. That will be after decimal point we have getting a 4 decimal. After decimal point we getting 4 digits. That's why we getting mentioned that 15.4. We change that into 25.4 means I change that into 25 means 25.6. I will change that. So I will run it. So here the padding and precision, the padding will be the total number. The padding will be increased, and after decimal point the digits will be increased. So after decimal point 6 digits will be I mentioned. Okay, that's what 6 digits will be getting after decimal point. Total length of the number is 25. So we given the 25, so we getting 25. Okay, likewise also we can use print statement. And next one is using format statement. We can view using our customized view of print using format keyword. So format print statement. For that I will type print open bracket and double quote. We can type curly brace, open curly brace, close curly brace. In that we have to type that your index 0 colon less than 5. I will tell that what is less than 5, and comma colon double quotes curly brace, open curly brace, close curly brace, and 1 comma 1 colon less than 5, and comma curly brace 2 colon less than 5, comma 3 colon less than 5 close curly brace, comma 4 colon less than 5 close bracket, curly brace, close the curly brace. So now we have to type dot. So it will be open the keywords. So format we have to type. So we have to type format and open the bracket. So we have to see the user friendly view of your print statement. So if I have typed the string in double quote or single quote, we have to type sum. I will put one presentable view of print statement. So I will put a parallel line. So we have to type sum comma sub comma mul comma divide mod. So this is your printable. We can see that print view. We getting this is your view of presentable view of sum, sub, mul, division. We can print in bottom of this. The output is printer, means we can take on the same coding, and we have to put enter, and we have to type. So here same we have to use the same method of double curly brace. We can use this. The here 0 means the first index. So here instead of typing sum, you have to type the variable name of all the variables. Sum comma sub comma mul comma division comma mod. So we can run it. we getting output at sum divided by sum equal to bottom of that we getting here the greater less than symbol is indicating that left side alignment. If I change that in cap I will change, means you can see I put cap and here greater than symbol, and here I will use less than symbol, and here using cap. So cap is for central alignment, greater than is for right side alignment, greater less than symbol for left side alignment. I run it, we can see that. You shall see that sum is I used cap here, that's why sum is in central alignment, and here I greater than I will be used, that will be in right side alignment, and we have to less than symbol will be used, means it will be in left side alignment, and I again used cap will be used, that will be a central alignment. So similarly I will use all our cap, means I will use cap for all the place we getting central alignment. All the place we can use cap, means we getting central alignment. So now run it. So we getting a central alignment of your output. This is the presentable way of we can print your statement using format keyword, and this is very useful for those who are doing basics Python course. They can should understand the how to use format and padding and precision method of printing the outputs. The main purpose of the simple arithmetic we can use that print your statement. And the next one is your power we can use double star, we can use power. So I can show that also. I will open the code block, and we have to type already we have given that a equal to 25 and 5 equal b equal to 5. Directly I will use power equal to a double star b. So we can print it, print of power. So run it. 25 power 5 we getting as answer. This is your answer of 25 power of 5 we getting this value. So likewise we can use your simple arithmetic by using Python. So how to presentably we can print your output, and that will be seen in this video. So upcoming video, how to use various string list, dictionary, tuple and sets, and the function boolean function we going to discuss in upcoming video. So with example we can discuss. Thank you for watching.